Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tired of paying full price for web hosting, this video is going to save you real money. I've been hosting websites with Hostinger for over 8 years now, so I know every trick to get the maximum discount, and today I'm sharing all of it with you. Let's talk about the two discount methods Hostinger offers. The first is a coupon code. It gives you up to 10% off, which is decent but honestly not the best deal available. The second method, which is the one I always recommend, is a referral code. This stacks an extra 20% discount on top of whatever current promotional offer is already running. That's a massive difference, and it's why I only use referral codes. Now, I've already done the hard work for you in the description box and pinned comment. I've listed referral codes sorted by country in your local language and currency, covering every region where Hostinger operates. Just find your country and click, it takes you straight to Hostinger's official website. Once you're on the site, head to the navigation bar and click on products or services. You'll see the full lineup: shared hosting plans, business email, VPS, and their website builder. For this walkthrough, I'm going with the Hostinger VPS section. They offer KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8 plans, genuinely powerful machines. I'm selecting KVM2 today for the demo. On the checkout page, you'll see the 20% referral discount applied automatically. One important tip before you finish: always use a fresh email address that's never been registered with Hostinger before. This ensures the discount goes through without any issues. That's everything. Drop a comment below if this helped. Hit like and subscribe to the Noted Hostinger coupon code channel for more money saving tips like these.